Armstrong Senkana. The Afusa. Oh, I think a man, a manipulator. Can the annual oh, can the cut oh, can the cook oh, can the frick oh, hey, my oh, can the Armstrong oh, can the cabo. I want to go to the case and can the cabo. I want to go to the case and I'm still a cabo. I want to go to the case and can the cabo. I want to go to the case and I'm still a cabo. I come back. I want to go to the case and can the cabo. I want to go to the case and I'm still a cabo. I want to go to the case and can the cabo. I'm still a cabo. I come back.
Okay, mommy and papa them on a good day. I want to say happy Sunday for all my watch from any part of the world, especially our refugees where they watch from various camps across Nigeria, for Cyprus, for Greece, for Afghanistan, for Lebanon, for Morocco, Ethiopia. Even for America here, we got refugees already for camps and for California and other places. You know, today is Sunday, and on Sunday, September 13th, 2020, where means you don't almost enter mid of September. And I say how days they fly. I want to thank my brother, especially Dingoke NLV, where you watch all the way from Canada. I say may God bless him. And we thank all Amazonians and whether they join this live show. There will be more than 250,000 in no time. So we thank you. So when you join this show, you share, you copy the link, you share on for WhatsApp so that we get all man with the computer for all your groups then. Today, as soon as see, we want to talk about until we go on with Maurice Kamto will be in relationship to our revolution. We will also talk about the biggest conspiracy way. So if you want to start talk lies them. So one lie the way you talk, if you come up for your first lie, all man don't know the rest of the two you talk na lie. And of course, I will talk about the situation for Bamenda, where they don't talk about lockdown. I will surely start now that one self. And yesterday, when I see what be happen with it, so our brothers said they be carrying for Bamenda side where they can't claim saying a vigilante, where not be vigilante. I will talk this one very clearly, and I will start with this discussion before I get to Maurice Kamto midway. You see, please, if you join, you share extensively. We'll get everybody on board. You see, I will still talk, and I don't always talk from the one who I joined this revolution. I talk say community, it be very important. If you don't watch some movie where they call and say Defiance, that movie, someone talk the way that there be the fight, some man be talk inside bush for that warriors. Because it now these German, the Nazis and Jews, as they be key Jews, some four brothers, they get to protect their own community. They run camp for bush. They come from different places and find job. They go job mission so they la succeed. And so one thing because my mind when I watch that film, anytime I watch any movie with now war film, as we used to call it, and he only look na say if it inspire me where concern this revolution, so that if he bring a me what they go watch. Because on one thing they mean you fight for down when you follow your own strategy. The key for war na community. Community be important past gun. Your community be important past bullet. Your community na your life as a soldier. If your community they against you, means you don't get nothing for sure for the war, you don't be defeated. Now, why that way today? In the years we'll start this struggle. Will be the big republic terribly because we will get a lot of community-based support. But today, whether you agree with me or not, this is not time to look ourselves for the eyes. Whether you agree with me or not, we don't lose small community support. And no one talks until this La Republic will take and cut now the part, start parade and say, or have it on and say, now I have to be careful, but we know, me and we know what I talk about. Community be very absolutely. If you hear say something the way they like oxygen for war, now community. Now, while I don't tell the community, what community people they say, any man when Ambazonia, if any man they harass you for your village in the name of Amber, it cease for be Amber. Now, I'm robber, not be Amber. Now, village get right for rise against any group of individuals. You consider them unknown, not ever name them saying Amber. You fight for defend your community. The same thing we do for military. I go prefer me catch thief man. You want to go get for any man for Nigeria soldier and La Republic soldier. So long as you disturb you, if you get protection, go get for any side. No man no get right for disturb people for community. So Amber fighters take note. They want a double preaching for community for defense and for Amber fighter for not get into any confrontation with community. You never ever and you never ever win community. Nobody wins the community. Your community will stay there and your key. Not tell me say the all my hate you because and so on. No. You not be there for some place, right? Yeah, if you don't some place, they be hate you 50-50. Like you 50, hate you 50. Perfect. But when they hate you, 80% or 90%, you get problem. You get to go revisit your strategies and your way we live. I will talk about the situation for Bamenda yesterday, where some video come out. Now when I don't talk, say when you see video, any man, sometimes people will ask me, say, but how did Eric Tato or National Telegraph did do for scrutinize his own news? He didn't ever make mistake. No, I didn't make mistake. But something that they teach me for journalism, if I never talk with sources, I will never publish any information. Now, by the way, when I publish, it like go up, cap down. It is authentic, 100%. See the school where they born and for Limbe, right? I'm number 1. They say, oh no, that thing happened for Douala. He come on and say, oh man, the poster say the born for school for Limbe for Mokondange. We'll get to our sources. Yesterday, when I see that video online, they send them for me, say, oh, some point say, Eric Tato, publish them. This is now vigilante. Yeah, I said, now vigilante. Say, yes, okay, wait. I say, okay. It happened for us. Tell me. They say, now so and so place, this is Bamenda and so on. I say, okay, very good. So, at the end of the day, something come up. Just to share. Something come up. I want to just pull out the information so that me all man see. When you get information where some person you, as a journalist, as an activist, you get for most first of all, you scrutinize them for wonderful level, your capacity for scrutiny, it get for be maximum. You know, you will plunge people into terrible mistake because of your publication. And so when that information will come out, I look that video, I look the boys, I look the when they send a vigilante, I try to analyze on my own, my first perception. I so I will call that area. I start touch base, they start explaining me the thing happen. Say, some people they call themselves Amber Boys and they come for that community can kidnap some picking them. Where they call themselves. They can't kidnap some picking them. So I tell them first thing, say no, not be Amber Boys. First delete that start part for that statement. Talk say so unknown men. He say yes, so unknown men. They can't kidnap some picking them 2 or 3. You know, give me the exact number, but they say 2 or 3. I say no. They need to talk 2 or 3. Say 2. I say okay. So these boys now they come up and go ask that are picking the way they take them. Then they hold them now, take them video, the lies in a vigilante because they will come out collapse. They get right to defend themselves. Then as they put them on social media, I see, I think name one of the boys and some pastor, they say if I get a pastor name. If you say with due respect, I will do screenshot. I'm not going to put the person number so that I will see which are the top. I was hiding my main number. Some assistant number will call me from New York. Now yesterday this. If you look and find a screenshot will write me. He give me say he brought that day. He started to cry. One of the boys in the car they named Sivanos. People were there for that quarter, you know how they talk through. I get all their names them. He cries, the one cash he brought that. I say why he cries? Say because people always go they talk to vigilante, not vigilante. I say yes, mommy live. I don't already hear the real story. Now why they talk so? They don't release all of them. I will thank the fact say that process go peacefully. It's very important. You must always negotiate with your community. All of them be released unarmed, unharmed. Very important. And I thank, I see my tweet yesterday. And even journalists, the way they make that mistake, where they be writing, and I like the way the journalists they report. Some of our brothers and sisters, they will struggle. They say, a video circulating says that that's very important because they be relying on that video where they pick out do that corrigendum after. That was very professional for those our brothers they report. You see, I say most of them can't correct the report back after my tweet. They can't correct. I say no, they will not be vigilant. They start get different level of explain. Now, wait to baffle me. Now, you will the Ambazonian. You will the call yourself say you be communication person for the revolution. You don't run. With the talk the team people they look and I watch show yesterday we were I think my just say our brother Anu. He can put breaking news with he start talk about that vigilante them. They start put comment, they kill them, they do this. Man, tell you the dangerous repercussion we forget them for that people there. Now people that brothers and that, they get picking them, families, uncles and that. Now, if not be say the people there, they be catch them, they be truly do that video, now say they do and say people they say listen vigilante them. But imagine say that's one different person or different people they be set that boys that they be catching up, then this group of other boys that they be armed, they can't take them with a mentality saying that vigilante, they wanna go for social media, wanna go to put crazy and say, kill them. Now the Republic agents them, what will happen? That boy that they call that an unknown man, an armed man, a military, and whatsoever, they will kill that boys and because they follow social media instruction, this is on glate, they support the fact. We need to fight the war now against ourselves. When you fight revolution, you get stages. That will be done because any might go CDC, any might go decide do this. That was a period, and which was necessary for the survival of this revolution. We don't put that stage will cripple Cameroon. Now we're there for another stage where we get from much to protect our community. You know, when you fight war, where your target will be your people. So the person for down there, he need you for guiding on social media, for him to understand what you get for do. But you go on social media, you go put crazy on fire for story where you no investigate them. When I talk, you claim to the support Christian New York, they talk say this. You get what the shit don't reflect say. If he has his sister the cry from New York, he brother they see brother for dance, so he knows say boy not be vigilante. But he come on ABC, can they talk to me, they kill them, they do that vigilante, they do that. This will not tolerate anybody. That is the problem we have in this revolution. I will talk them repeatedly. We will not be afford for the loss of our own brothers and sisters. We will not be afford forget people will be reckless in declarations. I tell you one thing. Wait when me I know. Okay, I get my conviction about Bamenda. Bamenda could not be stupid people. They know what to do which time. Listen, we, Vice President Dabney Yerima, Dr. Choluka Eba, John Baku, myself, Mark Barretta, we don't come talk say no bikes, no cars. And he walk for a number of days or declare. We only thank Bamenda. And then Bamenda don't really show you a resolve. Say yes, we stand with the people in this revolution. We are for our independence. They always show you. Now Monday na goes down. Because Monday that goes down, obviously, all man will say, all women can put our voice. Whether you A or B or C, you can put your voice. But then, because one show say you strong, you too powerful, you can't talk say, you know, from Tuesday, indefinite lockdown. You didn't lock the people then down. You know the risk way, you go talk something where you can't get mixed messages. No agreement. You know the risk way they put the people then out there. They don't really military don't really vex. They shoot people then kill them. You won't go add an army, they broke people then start to kill people then. Please, Bamenda. Me, I know they forever can't fight anybody. I don't touch me lockdown day or lockdown no day. And the camera for can tell you one message. Say now you there for Bamenda. Now you live your life for Bamenda. Now you a military will come your house will gone. Now you a mix. Stop that what happen for Bamenda because you don't do what you don't demonstrate for military. Then they want me go cross the red line. We need to fight the war now against our people. They talk say any law will be repugnant to social justice and community development, not be law. You need to do law for liberate people instead of punish the people. Now when I talk say now grandstanding the war with Chris Arnold. Man will never contribute $1 for revolution. And the way they talk so I can't clap. You are there for America. You are there for Europe. You are there different side. You know the inside Ground Zero. You are there any other side. When you sit down where you live your life, you be calculated if now you be the person for Bamenda or Boya. Every day they can lock you down. Talk your truth. Say someday you know will deny that lockdown. So Chris and push we na go level way. Me the one that make the population deny disobey we. So that like people go take on the victory. Because nothing lock me down, not one day. For those number of days or time for coronavirus, what I get for the fine thing go job. Waiting it is strong. You not feel lock me down. So Bamenda get for decide, no can't Bamenda say no respect lockdown, but Bamenda man get for use your brain. If you ask my opinion, if I live for Bamenda or any of my family member de Bamenda, my friend de Bamenda, wait till my advice for you. Tuesday respect goes down. Monday rather respect the ghost town 100% the way they always respect them. Tuesday, go about your businesses. Go open your shop, sell. We need to do the revolution that will kill you. Wednesday, go open your shop, sell. Until it becomes necessary. We not already locked down from those days where they become to say we are not locked down. And I respect, we will come there with a clear message. Now they can't say me lock down, me do this. No. If you want to respect them, go ahead, lock down. When military come your house, no worry. Take the consequences. Because if I assure you now, say time where Christian will do a declaration for lockdown, military in fear. They come in the house and no say that one at Facebook talk, no soldiers, not there for quarter for ambush military. Because as I don't talk so say lockdown, I not support them. Dr. Cho not support them. Vice President Daphne Rima not support them. AMF not support them. All we will not support them. Ambazonian National Army, ANA not support them. General Areke not support them. General No Pity not support them. 7 Qatar for Bafu not support them. All we will not talk say we go on activity normally. So military now the target person work on street. Will define a way lock your house or respect to a man talk because that the kind of lockdown they will not so don't put what team for corner where military not enter quarter anyhow then treat the fear. Any day we will give message, Christian can give different message. Look at the key person. We talk say wait. Say lockdown day, no vehicles, no taxi, no bike, no taxis, no vehicles. All man respect them. The triple whosoever they come they go for moto for basketball now kill the military. Because now we talk say no respect them. Christian, of course 1 or 2 people will still here for you. They go there, they kill them. So you got to always look at side with the strength they. Now the talk so all man they follow. If you join, you share. Tomorrow, we respect ghost town, a traditional ghost town. But from Tuesday, no lockdown for people that they listen to me. I'm my own advisor for you. Because we know a day for town, we do different strategy for different place. So all we have to understand, laws are not there now for kill people. Because Christian will not do it because it will help you. It do it because they want challenge. We. Ayabacho, Yerim, and the rest, the way they don't can get the first lockdown, so they want to challenge them. So now, why do you come on can get own lockdown? So they want to say, this interim government, no problem. You be that interim government, but we'll get the interim government of the people of Southern Cameroon. Now, without say, ladies and gentlemen, I'm my own small advisor. May we listen very, very attentively. I want to thank Dr. David Makongo, where now the highest philanthropist, where this revolution get them, where Ambazonia get them. You know, the one can talk, say the one, Chris Andon right, the one, try for insult you, the one them, even picking the way they not buy toilet roll for $2 for Europe. Toilet roll, their own, they say they get companies and but not get website. The first Ambazonian to have a company abroad without a website. They did for Germany. The first Ambazonian they get company abroad, no website. The only for the way when you have baby group, they can make speech, they will take a photo or picture. Say see baby. They say baby na cry. Baby na pass money with the tifa. I want to thank Dr. David Makongo. Say in maturity, I read that man at the cry. Very mature, composed. Now he don't go renovate the whole one at primary school and wait to renovate nothing. For down there. No man not can give up for do humanitarian work. Nobody. Not can give up for do humanitarian work because person when he contribute for revolution. I get receipt for year with Dr. Makongo. He give money for Chris Arno. That way Chris Arno he papa die. Receipt the way. He sent $500 for draft. That be sent say You don't go contribute now, they will cost you on top. You say, no, worry. I say, no problem. You don't go draft now. They go use draft you. And you don't see them. Now they understand. Don't mean you know at all. If you understand, say people in the way, they not get them gratitude for that style of living. They get only conspiracy. So we thank you, doctor. And you will know your own doctor. Don't see your own school the way you go. We don't see your work where they do. We don't see how you put your money for struggle. We don't see your contribution. No man of the revolution where you know how to contribute for your life. Everywhere you contribute. You don't bring people from all over. They fly to America here. You don't pay flight for people they want to know. Mark Barata know. Even the one way there for Europe, the way you get how many tips the way they cost you today. If you there for conference call, that time you pay flight for picking them. If you did it, arrange. People they know they Europe all activism. We don't come to trouble for you saying in this. We get the 10 picking them for Dubai. We get 50 picking them here. You go. Write check, pay all that flight that they come here. You know she don't for your house. You make noise from my way. He don't fly more than 1,000 refugees from they fly from Nigeria, bring them from America where they get visa. Do I fly from Dubai, bring them from America? Do I move from Germany, send them for Finland? Kind side. You know she don't carry it to say one guy cash because he will cash it down quiet. Mo talk true. If not be sent on Facebook, mo talk true. Who's a Christian who come off for water, makongo a flower, a garden, or for born fish until a grillage. Mo talk true. Mo be honest. So we get for the look revolution, they respect people when they do the sacrifices. So my Okoka talk say, you mean they let them bring their receipt, but he can only receipt for expenditure. $50,000 to Nigeria, this one to this way, and they can't cost my way don't use more than $100,000 for transport, thousands of picking them. Solve that point. Man, you get visa, so if visa they expire, you pay flight. You come against it, pay your hotel for America, she don't. Then someone cash down on Facebook because he get it more big, or because now he be the only first black man where he won't change Bible. Say na he say na Sarah ki Goliath. Sarah. Well, you don't expect less from man where he want to write Bible. If man be tell say na Sarah ki Goliath. Oh, he say na Sarah, one of that people them. He talk the name, you know. So we must all understand. Say revolution don't pass that. Now I don't tell people they say, you not ever support lies, you win. At the camp to breaking news. You see, I say breaking news is this. Breaking news is every day breaking news. Where to be breaking news? Breaking news now anything we don't know. I know can you teach you journalism. I can write breaking news 10 times for one day. If it not be a breaking news for you, it must be breaking news for someone for you. Someone if you watch you when nobody ever know say that boy not be vigilante and breaking news for you. So go read the meaning of breaking news. So all we will get to know, okay, they've seen a Gideon, I just seen a Sarah. What's the difference between Gideon and Sarah? All I said a wrong name there. Now, going forward, Mommy and Papa them, you see, I will read something for you very quickly. Where yesterday, I began the opportunity to call one of the journalists away they did for Guardian Post. I will exchange one message. I'm not calling him because of security. I want to show you something very quickly. So that make una see them. Please, as you join the share, we already did quite a very huge number. So, some person forward me the thing where I want I hope so I will really try to see the group where they will write that thing. Just the share, as you join share, I want to show some very what visuals. Okay, very good. 90s. So you know the only problem with Sako is so they get them when I bring them facts. They will either write some number of things the way and not talk them, or one they want to talk and they try to change the thing, or they bring Tassan. Me Tassan can talk say the one not be true. Okay, I will just use 2 minutes for this thing because I want to pass before I enter the Camto issue. They say FFFAF, Eric Tato, the leading leader, the supreme commander, the smoke will not fire, according to them. The truth teller we must all trust with breaking news, even more than CNN, of course. National Sakwe point. They come the first talk say, they claim say me a talk say, they say breaking lies by National Telegraph. According to them, they say, me, National Telegraph, talk say Sako has no documents and cannot travel. That's the first thing they talk say, me a talk. So they write a number of things and very well I don't write, I will read them. So that when you see after the place, I want to talk one after the other. I will take 2 minutes or less, or maybe 5 minutes. Where they say Sako has no documents and cannot travel. Now so they now Sako is so reside. Therefore they awards them. They claim that me have talk that one because as Sako does not travel, that they want to talk for the police. So you see, I to lie about Sako documentation. You know, now why I talk say Sako don't just hire a new activist away, they don't get facts. Now why I see the other man with 710 teeth, you know, if you write the kind of thing, we're going to say, I don't ever talk him. Go back. When AGC, AGOVC, ADF, they talk say, Sako, not get no document, not get this. Now we can't talk say, Sako get document. Now I want to write the person name, hashtag the person name. Now one activist, we can't defend Sako. I say, Sako get green card, if he travel, go any place. So when Sako, we can't get citizenship, when I'm a trip to Boya, money where they sign and we'll get this thing. He becomes citizen thanks to my trip to Boya. Now we'll be the one activist where we can first the talk say Sako get wait now we'll be the first activist can talk say Sako get document if you travel. Now Eric Tato. Now I can say Sako get green card. Now that all man know, not be today, I mean something but since I started the revolution, I tell you say Sako get documents. But today Sako is so they won't come now, they won't confuse themselves. They can't say Eric Tato talk say Sako no get no documents. Sako no fit travel. They say Sako's wife is a bulu francophone, but not true. Not be bulu now waiting. So wait today you want proof for you not be bulu. If man a parent, one parent a bulu, the other one at any side, not be bulu. So when you can't talk say Eric Tato, it's just a lie. Not be bulu now. If you say we right now, so you go confuse. Sako's wife na francophone. If na lie put Sako's wife, he best educate village, he come outside. Una only know so not be bulu, but not play way come out from Amazonia. Is that not stupidity? Sako has bought a house in the USA. Is it a lie? He talking about California. Yannick Sikot don't even talk about video. Before when I see Yannick Sikot, he talks the reason why they leave Sako now because Sako can talk for California and say buy house. Ask the project for California. So according to a lie. Sako has been kicked out of his house because he cannot pay rent. Now me I talk now Professor Anyim talk. He write them for them because they won't use for dupe money. Now Eric Tato talk not be Eric Tato. Because they can say breaking lies by National Telegraph. And he published nothing for Telegraph about Sako. And he talk Amber for Telegraph. So now the Yahweh, they put the fee for them. These are all facts. That one I want to make people they believe in a lie. Sako buy a house. Sako's wardrobe is audio money. Is it a lie? Not be audio money. Where is the money? Chris Anuka is they can talk say they never pay the pledges. What's the difference between pledge and audio? Not be more people they can talk about. I will give $2,000. Is it cash? No. When something is not cash, what's the opposite of cash money? Audio money. They can't say a lie. You go talk something, say, Chris can confirm. Sako's brother was caught with 180 million building material house for Douala that Sako called him. Who's I ever talk that one? I said the cash Sako brother with you 17 million. They won't add and say I talk say 180 million. Where I talk and bring the video. You see how they behave? Una must ever change team and talk. That's how you operate. You must change it. You must change it. Sako spent $30,000 for his birthday in the Bahamas. Now so Eric Tato talk. The answer is not true. It's the way that because Sako got money for birthday spend 30,000. I be cut to say I not ever get no sour sister Sako spend 30,000. But I bring bank card is crash money for Philadelphia. He buy McDonald's. So now Eric Tato be told 30,000, not be me. Now tap bank there and the rest of them told 30,000. But now one can put us in a Sako. You see now Eric Tato. We say on day una conspiracy in work. I want to dismiss this. Sako bribed everybody in the blue and white army. That's a fact. Now why on any reason? What is the lie in that? Or on a day normal, where they cash my way tip money 1.3 million on a blue and white army, still can't deny you the Chris and can't disprove on. So what is the lie? If they not bribe you, how come you are supporting a thief? Sako has been bribed with CFA 300 million by Musonge. I not talk say Sako be bribed by Musonge 300 million. I never ever call any amount, but I talk say Sako the work with Musonge. Authoritatively, I said it. So Sako lies that he went to Brazil. He just did a Photoshop. I talk say at the time, and I come back and correct that fact. When we see Sako, he say they Brazil. He go do diplomacy. He go church. He go claim say God be appointing me be president for Amazonia. I can't debunk her. And when I be right, we go for Telegraph. The right news be reported. Say go Brazil, go do failed diplomacy. Few Field Marshal has been arrested. That's why we talk big lies. Arrested being quote. Why write them for you not put quotes? I want me ambassador the reason. ABC or Chris Ano has been arrested by HOL by his own lies. Clearly stated. Listen very attentively. ABC has been banned in America. Yes. Might take time to explain the part. Because they see him, Chris Ano will talk live for Facebook. Facebook, not be documentation for grant. If you go re-register him, if you go, they deny the registration. That is a fact. 100%. Ask Chris Ano. If not live, tell Chris Ano, say that date, go for the date where we post for ABC, so they don't get document. Tell me, bring that document, the date where American government will give that document, it go match with the date where we post them for Facebook. Use your brain. Sako has been reported to the FBI. So why is the lie in that? You don't call FBI, FBI denies not report Sako. Or because they can't lie and say not report and they can say not true. That now on well with FBI, not even concern me. Sako has, what does it say? Sako, don't skip the place. Sako is sleeping with Mrs. Aringwa. So what's the lie in that? It's because Sako is sleep Aringwa. I don't talk and the USA, they go sue me. I will bring receipt for one hotel where they sleep then two. So what is a lie in that? So, okay, how you know saying sleep Aringwa? If you bring proof, for show picture, they go hotel all time video, 24 hours video, they separate, they need sleep. Sako lied about MTTB. Is it a lie? He not lie. Chris Ano said talk about it. Sako not lie about MTTB. Where's plan B? Where's plan A? Where's plan C? When I jump that one, say Sako chop crap. When I not put down because I not see the receipt the day. So as a matter of fact, I want you to read the one who I put there no. Then I go now, you see the first thing where they first talk. Say Eric Tato be talk, say Sako not get documents. Where Eric Tato never talk. Because for them, they know say Sako don't start travel now, they use them for travel convince their people then. Eric Tato never lie. So no officer will write all the things. Something don't come out. Why not write again about the tax document? 3 days ago, 4 days ago, now be talk say the tax document a lie. And you're not involved Sako. When Chris Ano can finish now, when they jump that tax, I don't see IRS. Where's the IRS? Why not put them? Now they don't go bring the newspaper, ladies and gentlemen. Me all my up with IMA show that the first thing we went for the clone paper for start bring confusion for social media. I call yesterday, I talk with person for Guardian Post. Before I want to continue, I want to thank my brother way. He don't just send me the boots them. Now in this, he just send me for this thing. I was sure I'm not boot them the way they donated yesterday. I get to go pick them for a house. Now in that so 6 pairs for 5,000. Now make I come show us something before I continue. Oh man, open your eyes. We don't decide for toxic. We will not ever give chance for conspiracy theorists. Now I will show that the new lie where they bring them, and that's what I mean. All will be aware of the situation, so that when you see them, now support people that work this. Anytime where something they pending, where they hot, they go bring something for confuse people. See the new paper they go bring them. You see the paper, and the paper there they go bring them. Guardian Post paper. Where you go for all look the date. You know the Thursday. You see them now Thursday, December 19, 2019. I think quote yesterday I talked with the publisher of Guardian Post. Now colleague from my colleague Christian Gab call you up see the paper. He be watch football match. Because Guardian Post now the leading English newspaper back home. I say, which have their paper? Are you the? He said, Master, forget about those conspirators. They take a paper they have not read, they share it. That's what Christian Gab told me. Say those things are all they are story they paddle about Ayokta Ben are fake. Publisher for Guardian Post. I talk with you yesterday, and I will show you everything. So now paper for 2019. Sako they take they share because they see Ayokta say MP says Sisiku open to indivisible Cameroon. You know the meaning of that statement? Huh? If they say I'll be open to abortion talk, for example, maybe I support abortion. So Christian Gabriel laugh the voice, they say, you know, I see put the door like these guys. Every day I disgrace on myself. Every day. So if somebody say it be open to ceasefire discussion, it means they don't talk say be open for end the war or ceasefire. It means they go for them go talk. Cameroon one waiting. indivisible Cameroon. We want divisible Cameroon. We want restoration. So Mamo agree for start talk about some my own thing. And we will agree so we can't talk the indivisible Cameroon. See. Or go they talk so we one indivisible Cameroon, one divisible Cameroon because of the thing. This is what the newspaper is saying. When I don't carry headline because that's what I did. Village poor they go see poster talk film. You see the guys so they listen I cook the equal for film when I watch them. That's what Sako Epo they behave. Every day when I disgrace on ourselves. When I go take this thing for 2019 the share and when the content they talk something different. You get Ayok Tabe his own opinion which he talk. Even Jeune Afrique economy don't public Ayok Tabe where they talk say now independent or resistance forever. Because now I only bring conspiracy they forget about Sako thief free for tax returns when I go bring the paper. So if you get a heart for go share conspiracy for paper, you way there America. You don't get heart for go share tax return where you contribute your money so man can declare wrong figure. Now come on declare and then I say you want independence. They not even get independence of you not get independence of the mind for no which kind of information for share independence. I don't think I say oh una is supposed to go and we go create on our own village after Sabongari. If we want forgive una no come corner anywhere in Ambazonia. We go say, yo, we just for some time we fight the war together. We go for that side of Sabongari. We go like 2 billion miles. We go create our own village, Puna for day. Because pigs cannot come where people are doing. I don't know where to be wrong when I look at like this girl and I say, Christian got the laugh now. They say, my brother, look at the date. Now he tell me, say, go and look at it. He bring me the archive. Give me the full paper, I read them. See where they talk. I want to say, go and look at Jeune Afrique. We haven't published interview from Jeune Afrique economy. So, you say when I disgrace Sako, they knew how I want to bring her now. Look the other, this way the one. Where you say I go laugh to go no say this is what we call why man can say the desperado. Very horrible. These people there. I don't know what to be. See the one. Don't get now. Don't go print a one t-shirt. The whole draft money. What I say draft now old I argue one t-shirt. Who side for America? What America so now why are they always call and say splinter groups? Okay, look at health and social services. Then under I can put His Excellency Dr. Sako HHS. But I'm giving a simple example. Who say I don't go for State Department? You not see a logo for State Department, you see a Donald Trump face for me to play for logo. Who say I don't go for transportation or NVA? You go see, they say put a Maryland driving way you put under I can put Trump in picture. You see, they send to a pub here, they do and I will Sako they do clean la Republic style. Look at how disgraceful they want to say. Now, person don't talk say make a international community they call it. When I want president this one man. When I want to say now I know for why Ambazonian close. God. See, as soon as if you was there, they laugh. They say, "What's this?" Now, when I go now, when they make and people they talk say comedy revolution because this is comedy. Even that may his soul rest in peace. Even the one day that man will get Beleso, he not fit have the kind of fun because I see him yesterday man. My ribs they won't crack. Oh, all the fight for the guy name for t-shirt for time for war. You either a banner or a t-shirt. Gun you need buy them. But you gotta make a son a gun. When I saw that no t-shirt reach down, they on own gun them. Gun you reach na t-shirt. When you see gun them for inside wheelbarrow for China, toy guns them. Just look at him. Is this not a disgrace? Look at him. Look how they take revolution turn into clown. Look at him. Down will make an answer, maybe the one before they want to take a picture of military, the pass, boom, for down. They can say, oh, they have genocide, they have killed innocent. That's not innocent, that's stupidity. That's stupidity. So all Ambazonians know, every day matter on one thing. You see, my problem now. Okay, see for example, Tapsang Wilfred don't go right, say, they don't go bring, because they go, if they don't right, then they not be the Christian, that time right, Christian not be don't come out. Can do lies telling. So Tasang go right. Tasang say, no, the tax return is a fake thing. That's another lie. This. Now Tasang that too. But Chris Ano come up and talk with him. Ma written with Chris Ano, with Tasang talk. The man bring down with Chris Ano talk. So that man see him. Just 1 minute, they find out Chris Ano video. So you come out. I want play and me and Bazon the see him. They will want to hear again. Tasang say, the tax return is another lie. It define lie, go this side for confuse people. Them. He said, a lie, that tax return not day, he not do so. He write 90 pages. The only diamond with the right from jail. Like that's how we fret. Now my former teacher, no one caution. But he right. He said, no tax return, a lie, it exists. All those things are conspiracy. This. You know the problem, I say, that's Tangela Tanganji. He's a quarter appointed. So they will jail so anything you tell you only like una don't know how many 5 to something thousand for jail. Only one man is supposed to go. Don't say Sako get population. T Conrad na Bamenda is the talk na Ayoktabe. Ben Terence, all the Manchum BBC. You are supposed to be asking yourself, I mean, what is going on? Why is everybody supporting one person? All the major activists, the whole world. Why? And then una they concentrate that for WhatsApp audios. So I will just try to bring that video, man. Make sure say the video they okay. I don't know why, for some reason, I need to get the video. But I go play me all man here. Where you just join, you share, please. More share me all man come on board. So Tasang say tax return a lie and a fake. But Chris Anu tell you say, no sir, you are a dead man. I'm the one who knows the real story. So I have to explain to the Ambazonian people because yes, the returns they are correct. Eric Tato is right, but we cannot declare to you because we don't owe you not declaration.
In the USA, every corporation, be it business or non-business, for profit or not for profit, you are compelled by law to file in your taxes, your income and expenditure statement every year. You are compelled by law to do so. And when you run a government, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to come out and announce, oh, this government raised 1.3 million or 2 million. Did the interim government come out to tell you what their budget is from the beginning of the year? And why did you think they would have to come out and tell you what they filed at the IRS? Why should they do that? Why must they do that? What we have seen in those IRS papers, they are straight, without any gimmicks in them. There was need to announce what was raised from my trip to Boye.
No, no. Mami and father, not be me at the top now. Chris Anu. Chris Anu talk say, Tasang say, IRS, they fake. The other story, they say, IRS na fake, every type of the lie. And I don't go put that document there because UN Security Council come. La Republic don't tell me go put the document there. Then Chris Anu can say, no. They are straight. So once this opportunity once more for thank Chris Anu for coming out for the first time ignorantly for stop the truth. It be very important. So you don't see how we Tasang write all that long thing Chris Anu can disgrace. Now just remind on her. Say everything with Tasang don't talk from jail. It always lie. It should not and Sako they write the thing they put her out there for confuse people. Now tax document is that. 1.3, 1.4 million. Chris Anu Africa ever talks, okay, this 800,000 I took, or this 300,000, or this $50,000, this is what I did, this was a change. This is the balance I get my sister to buy food because she's in her own day, she is not working because of the crisis. This is what I sent to my mother. You get to give me those details and because you know how you use the money. But on the contrary, the only can talk say, and the dollars talk while you're the well. Now, person who can talk say, no government can take for the how much you raise. Which country there for the well? Where government need declare a budget. Chris Anu say no. No country not for the where government declare a budget. Well, maybe they create history for the first time the splinter group now that kind of government because government means any man get government. Government means any if you get some small budget, they govern you as a people. So for pigs that own well, they didn't ever declare budget. They only declare a number of pigs and a number of audios. Audio money the way they raise them. That's what you put declare. Now it's not when I never declare a draft. When you write, you go raise money for draft or audio, you can't write Menchum has drafted $9 billion. Una money them. Every Amazon, CEO for Amazon never see that kind of money. People, when I draft past the whole US stock exchange market. But December, the rich. We no one here cry. Audio don't start come on. This was that cash app. I be telling you, don't compromise that cash app. My man, they need compromise cash app. We want to see the 2 million. Chris Anu up him up for this show. He talks to the raise $2 million for draft. All man here, no be me I talk him. Now I follow when I keep the video. It raise $2 million. Me time no rich. We want to say we was gone for $2 million. That talk say we are not going to declare the amount. You already declared the amount. It's no longer classified. So we are keeping this video for the record because we'll start playing the video for December, January for now. December go reach. We have a hear new story. January go reach. The hotel and say they unlock all borders from Nigeria. February go reach. The hotel and say Togo don't send Cameroon government don't send Togo military. They block a cock border. March go reach. The hotel and say every time we send some 50 million Sierra Leone, they can't block that side for go for e-com so that they not buy gun. June go reach, they'll say, this so I have a choice the work with La Republic, so they don't hold meeting for Calabar. He talk say, he did so, me they move all gun there for Calabar, go for Port Harcourt. The guy that knows stories. So you see, with the way, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to congratulate the courage where Bohebe get them, where Sako they get them, and the rest. I want to congratulate the courage. They don't move town hall for Swiss stock. They want to put it on Swiss stock. Now I get that Swiss stock flyer. I see I'm somewhere back. I not be sending on my phone. I check them. So they say they don't. They want to do Swiss stock again. They want sensitize put it on Swiss stock. You got them. Chocolate or Swiss, the sweet guy, they're very bad. They can never give up. And they find that flyer. So any man don't see that flyer for Swiss stock where Sako they share them so they get town hall for Swiss stock. Please send them for me. I beg. If you get that, just send them for my email, for my inbox. My show put them in the share. So I want to make comment quickly about you know. So I just get information for here direct from down. Say like probably you collect ID cards them from people them and then they give them 2,000. Is it 25,000 francs here when I 2.5 on my 16 for Boya? So I will finish now. I will get back to this news. So we'll know why. I just want to hit them up. So not give your ID card if they for my 16. Please, if you get that this thing, that fly away, Sako don't do them for so any man will watch me, just listen very attentively. I want to talk now about this Swiss talk. So Sako don't put flyer out. They say they act team. What that act team should do? Act team will be 9. Put they resign, but they still they will 10. Put they resign, but they still 10. So they don't put a flyer. Talk say, I bet any man will see that flyer missing on me. Say they get town hall for talk about Swiss talk. Me no man no go oppose them. I bet. When I leave them, they go do that town hall about Swiss talk. But the ridiculous thing I say, you will the one negotiate. Will be rebel, you need to big negotiation. So you need to run every day. Not you need to sensitize people about the talks. And the people there, the media, and they tell and say, they do not meet off, they do not meet off. So you see, Cameroon, when I make a so Cameroon, they just look when they say, when I head not correct. They wear the look when they say, when I not well. So now the one town hall for Swiss talk. When I be Swiss government now, when I be HD, when I only work for inside HD, when I want sensitize people, they say, when you go this how you have to negotiate with Cameroon. So only now the one go negotiate. Only now be rebel. Only now the lecture on set on negotiation. Me say oh now the act don't be now the act. It don't be now Swiss government. It don't be now the Cameroon government. Act again one. It don't be now expert. Me say all thing na act. It's very good. We need dinner. So you need to see the level for frustration. Now, I will come up with that Swiss thing, but might just go straight now to the Maurice Kamto story. Me, all we will get them as a matter of fact, yes, at the way that document, Mr. Mason on me, the act document where the right say they want to do town hall. I'll check out maybe feed of my gallery. Yeah, I think some person will send out for me by the end of the show, I hope. So I see one person send out for me, or a couple of people then by check out and say, but they don't do a town hall stuff, so they want to talk about you know, about the situation for Swiss. Now, to Maurice Kamto, MRC. When I don't hear how Maurice Kamto don't announce say 22nd, then they go for street, for go march for ask me Bia leave power. But she don't, and the way to others to ambassador will come try to educate our people them. Now the kind of thing they talk about. The significance for encourage such a move. But no man they talk because the way say where you can't talk them, me they take and turn into conspiracy. Say we turn and say the work of Maurice Kamto. May we get them very clearly. Me all will get a point. If Maurice Kamto protest succeed, we too don't succeed. Because that's when we take our country. Because military will be divided. Muna put them very well for our head. Say we need plenty instability for the 8 regions. So that therefore this side will be contain our own territory. So they encourage all man, whether they dwell on any part. If all man whether they dwell on they come out. Once all man come out for street, Cameroon government will confuse, economic costs go high, businesses will be shut down. Automatically, Maurice Kamto don't help we for do our work for free. Then our boys will be able to take out the small, the clever they remain for this side. Because when that one happen, the whole country will be broken. When it happen, I will just block some one man for here. Very quickly, they're calling out something. Thank you so much. Your block, Mokube. You see, okay? Bye. Good. So we must all remember one thing. This one will play tremendously in our favor. So me all man come out. Me they shake the whole place, lock down the whole of the Republic now for our advantage. That kind of thing will give you opportunity for take concrete areas and for inside our own territory. Imagine the whole street dark like Mali. For that side confusion, they did time now. Wipe down all government in the for they no one know they exist. Because military will focus your attention on that side will come to. Cameroon military not get population for having 1 billion of Douala. So imagine the whole Douala come over the street, they'll shoot you. The whole Yaoundé they come over the street, they'll shoot you. But you see, the Francophones themselves, they don't get no courage. You'll see another ratio, all they go now. Somebody can say Maurice tomatoes, and that's true. Because I don't see no man want to take government. You only can read in a paper for Facebook. No. So we encourage all the Francophones who not come out in our numbers. Yes, all Francophones as Maurice Kamto come out, all we not going to come out, we not take our country back for beyond, we take our own peace return. Because me know one thing. Say we don't stand for our independence, I only give up. Me all man be aware. Now what I see when all these conspiracy theory they come on Facebook, they can't talk say Ayoktabe this, and they come to this, come to Salon can talk say the highest person we talk about leader, we put Ambazonia at heart. That other man be talking the corner pen and book on with you. He talking clearly saying that Ayoktabe get Ambazonia at heart. Say that's a leader with a difference. So we know one thing for sure. Say once that confusion erupts for Francophone zones, some can talk say, and you hear some very stupid ambassadors can talk say, wait to concern with the Francophone zone. Why you want to encourage Francophone and they go protest? Especially the fighting against Biya. The question I'll ask you, I say, wait if they disadvantage if they protest, how it affect you negatively? That's the question I'll ask you. That's the question I'm going to ask you. Say, if Francophones they protest, so all my Douala come up protest, Douala is shut down, how it affect you? You know that we can post small fire. We don't burn some small carabo for Douala in the glad. Say, oh, the Republic is burning. Accident occur for far north, you post and the glad. Say, oh, why Tanga and the Pono die? Then when Eric has encourage protest now for Douala, you carry that for conspiracy. Say, oh, why go talk say, why you be glad me Tanga and the Pono die? Waiting for the Republic, waiting for far north, how it be concern you too? Because I wait now when Eric has turn on crap on her head, go turn and put that for TV, make her so, shake and go. So we told you people, hey, I do want an alliance. I talk to that one, I go see him and I just laugh. So I don't return and say they go take him for analyze him because that's what they'll do after this show. But they see talk him with authority. Say get 2 billion% advantage for Ambazonians. Any man you can talk say, make come to his protest, no work. No see that person, now La Republic. Now why I see where governors already banned the protest. There's some Ambazonians, instead of people come took fire, make confusion day for day. You can't because now Eric don't bring the idea. You can't say no man not going to go protest. For which reason? Me say you support BI regime. And I saw this Sako people will do and tomorrow you'll see them for that water, you'll see they'll cut the place and put them. And the remain on the moon and no. So all therefore she don't firm and strong. We need come to a protest or succeed. Any man you watch this show, this particular place, spread them. Cut and send them for La Republic for them. They were saying that all Francophones should go out on the 22nd as declared by Camp2. Go out and shut down all your streets, no business. On the 22nd, no business, not for them for Douala, till Pobia come out, till scatter the whole Cameroon. Una hear something when they talk about Cameroon. I play some small video, all man knows that Cameroon is finished. Even pastor from Nigeria. When I listen to the video,
Jezebel in your husband's business. You come in like this, everybody knows she's coming. You are the lion of the tribe of everywhere. People greet you, you can't bend. You're so proud, you're so cocky. Even God tiptoes around you. Because you traveled abroad. Where did you go? Cameroon. It's abroad.
when I hear how they laugh Cameroon. So the country is finished. All man therefore come up for street for 22nd. All country supporters and all ambassadors therefore encourage them. All man want them for street. Me they come up, go they go protest, shut down Douala, shut down Yaoundé, shut down everywhere. Ebolova, everywhere should be shut down. If Camp2 fit do am now our advantage. Cameroon will go further deep into crisis. Beyond of handle Boko Haram, enough handle Camp2, enough handle we. He must give up. He go give up to Camp2, will take our own country to give up for we. That is the fact. Man, tell you one thing. The reason why we Biya they do the things now because Yaoundé they peaceful, Douala they peaceful. And if we never get enough capacity yet for enter Douala and Yaoundé, if Camp2 give you that capacity by peaceful protest or by shutting down Douala and Yaoundé, what is the disadvantage? That will be the message we support Camp2 in March for 22nd. Me all man come out, any man do Douala, Yaoundé, Ebolova, all of them they never come out. And my tell the Francophones and one thing where they will listen to me now. Wait till they don't know the truth and say, if Douala come out for full capacity, Pobia will go. Yes, now while I was sitting, they don't be shoot no man. They are not going to shoot anybody. And I'll never do some small, short, nice video for English and French. For encouragement, because if all man come out, my turn I want to I don't know. If they come out for Douala, come out for Yaoundé, military men and they way, generals they stand on the fence. They look so. With the right article for our magazine, how the military stole civilian victory in Mali. Excuse me, military move president for chair, not be military. Military not be get courage or start coup. They don't start that mutiny. They wait and when population don't come out, they look at so say because first of all when population come out, some number of people they come out against a president, now loss of confidence. Military for defense, they can't take the victory, they can't be the heroes because they stand with the population. That's what happened in Mali. No military man will get courage for come stand against the president. But military for the day for all countries, military ever been a half loyalty. Loyalty na 50-50. Now while the president is domestic diplomacy be very important. All countries get military na 50-50 for this side of president and for this side of population. But because they fear repercussions, they first of repress them, they just stand for fence. But once population comes up, now me come to try and see something. If they come out the whole year, they come out street dark, Douala dark, you just support the command instead of very presidency, the command will take Pobia. So okay, it's over. You say, oh, coup d'etat for Cameroon. Me, the day they wait for seeing a population reaction. Would they write a very strong article about Mali, one reporter they write for our magazine. How the military stole civilian victory in Mali. That is a fact. So we're going to encourage all of them. They come off the street. If Douala tick, Bonabel and Iwaka, no sign Iwaka, you only tick, only that two places and Biya is gone. Because number one, Biya a foreign ally, they will not say no. Camp2 don't get support for population. They will every France will encourage a coup d'etat. And when that happens, so pap, to be honest, right, Paul they say Camp2 wars past Biya, but Camp2 even come for talk with we. So if we reach for table to beat Camp2, the way we beat Nigeria for Bakassi, we get for use our brain. When you fight or struggle, you fight with all style we get advantage. So we encourage all man Yaoundé, Douala et Bolova. 22 septembre, sorti. All men outside. Pour come to. Me all them come out. Once it's shut down, that's it. We're gone. We're gone. So they will come out in their number. Look what happened for Mali. Even the man make that in noise so. For Côte d'Ivoire, Alassane. He made that thing so. When population come on, he's finished. Oh man, Douala Yaoundé. Oh, we got to support the Francophone activists now. May they put the people in the street in the number. Am I telling you the truth? Once they come out in their numbers, military nothing ever shoot no man. Now because when people they go come out, una devil Douala on 2, on 10 million, on how many million, on 5 million. 20 people they come out go strike. Tell me how many you not shoot them. But if people they come out, half population of Douala come out, block bridge. Oh my man. That is Siam so the whole place will shake. News would go outside. So at the encourage, there is military. Before, if you want to take some person mobile, they kill me for the Mali. But today Mali they free, liberated, with the least bloodshed. Douala Yaoundé, Ebolova, Ngandere Marua, everywhere. We not get to take the example for Mali. Military the day for fence, they wait for sinners. Now civilian reaction. Oh man, they get for commander now. We get for this message we have to go from today to the 22nd. We get our victory. If they come out for 22nd, they will come to the anticipate. Why you feel say governor already right to say they ban this? They already divide bike for Kantara come to. They know say they know this is a turn a deep secret inside diplomacy. For any country where you go, any country, military loyalty na 50-50. Now president, in diplomacy, domestic diplomacy, and he tact, now he suppress the 50% disloyalty for military. Then change if he say the president. That's like Biya do. Biya know for play the game, but come to surely catch it time. So you see now, anybody oppose this strategy, no say na problem, and Biya will come and say, oh no, what do you not find? Wait to concern about this, but we need it. That's it. We are gone. Once that happens, this step, you know what I mean? Cameroon will suffer. If Douala, Yaoundé, Ebola, they shut down for 1 day, 2 days. Oh my goodness. It's finished. Biya will come say, I will direct. They'll tell you, no. You cannot look at this. You cannot do this. France will say, okay, no. But that time, France will take gun. Can't give military. See, when I move that man with chair, you won't correct. After France, they do it to 80 something years, man, if he already lost confidence. They already chop enough. They will need next month to come. So we get for rise up, for support this movement because it did like our own luck. Now our own luck. Now our own luck that. Now our own joker this. But we need to rely on it in total. But it will help we not get no disadvantage if they come out. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank everybody who don't join me for the live show today. I want to check for make sure say all the points that we get I don't talk them. Now Cameroon that. Now Cameroon that. So that is a situation with that Central African country. So all we must understand, all we must know the way Cameroon on the Cameroon is completely finished. You know, let me see. Okay, cool. I will continue with the thank Una because Una always make me proud. Anytime I come unannounced, Una always there. So person not luck, providence. Thank you. I prefer the word providence. Very powerful. So as I be talk, me no man oppose that people that was switch that town hall. When I leave them, they continue for the stupefy themselves. They will not want to fight. When you and the one start, you as the talk. Now they want announce town hall for switch, not be distraction. But now when tax return they come out, for them now a distraction. So it be very clear, it be very apparent. Say God already show Ambassador the truth about everything. So God bless you now. I will continue to thank all man where it don't remain very powerful for the revolution. And we'll talk, no matter what, all we will get for remain. Each time you take newspaper, make sure say you zoom, you look the date, and then not over concentrate. The headline they always been able to make me go read. So me all will remain very, very straightforward. Will guide the revolution and make sure say me all things they fine. I want to thank all my watchers show for say God bless you now. Happy Sunday once more, and I remain very grateful. Any other you know I talk like some my brother the way food don't get problem, we get cancer. My brother Salas for don't share the video. Tomorrow we are going to look at it. They say my blog, some people they say my blog one and Dre waiting. I see what I go see for this. I go no after this if I not see now I go just go block you for the main page. If Gideon the see but Gideon if you see the man they talk and if he block you. Alright, thank you so much. We will leave the show so say me God bless all man. Bye bye for now. Thank you so much.